My name is Pranav and I'm the Business Development Engineer at Paanduv Applications. Today we have Dr. Rimzhim Gupta, Research Scientist at Paanduv Applications. Together we are going to solve your queries regarding the academic program called PA3P. So starting with my first question, why should we learn OpenFOAM?
So Pranav, let me first inform everyone that PA3P stands for Paanduv Applications Advanced Academic Program. And now switching to your question, why OpenFOAM? That's because industry and academia is highly switching to OpenFOAM because it provides them the ease to customize the solvers, and on top of it, it is open source. So who wouldn't want to work on something that is free? But that's why we are providing students with the background and with the base that they can start their future acquiring this skill set which they are going to need in the future.
It sounds interesting and I could not agree more on this. So when I was trying to learn OpenFOAM, I was always referring to videos on YouTube. But those videos just gave me a start but then could not solve my doubts in real time. So my next question is this sessions recorded or live?
So we had kept this in mind, and that's why these sessions are going to be live. People can raise their queries and they will be answered by our tutors right there.
That sounds good. And since it's a interactive sessions, it's going to be fun too.
Yes, absolutely.
It seems to me that this course is a complete package. It will take the participants from the beginner level to the advanced level. So if I have to ask, what is the primary focus of this course?
Primary focus of the course is hands-on practice on OpenFOAM software, because that's where people really struggle. If they are coming from industry or academia, they really struggle with the hands-on practice. But apart from that, we have a specialty of the course which lies with the flavor of industrial problems, because we provide them with industrial case studies which are very relevant at current times. The first case study that we teach them is battery thermal management. Second one is multi-phase modeling for hydraulic systems. And the third one is aerodynamic studies for fixed wing drone problems. And apart from that, we are making them familiar with the source code because it's open source, right? So we have the source code available for all of us. We provide them the familiarization with the source code and some customization on that, how to code in C++ in OpenFOAM. So all these things makes the participants very interested in the course.
This is a really good thing about the course, I would say, is the industry case study, and these case studies I think covers various sectors of the industry. So to me it sounds that there's a place for everyone in this course.
Yes, absolutely.
Now you know that this course is live, hands-on and certified. Upon that, the material will be provided to you for your future reference. So why wait? Hurry up and register faster because we have limited seats. For registration, the link is in the description. Thank you.